थोड़ा इस तरफ हो जाओ मम्मा।
हमारी भी ऐसे जा रही गई बस। जो ये दिख रहा है वही दिख रहा होगा ना।
लैपटॉप लड़की लैपटॉप करो काम।
ये कम कर रहे हैं। सो गया।
टीवी आ सकती Good evening, parents. We'll wait for 5 more minutes so that everyone can come.
Yeah.
Now ये सिर्फ मेरी बात करनी।
Hello, baby. How are you? Hi. How are you?
Say I'm fine. I'm good. Say I'm good.
ગરમ છે
दरवाजा बंद कर दे। जाओ डलो। आ जाओ मैम को हाय बोलने। मैम को हाय बोलने।
Hi.
गुड इवनिंग।
Good evening, darling. Good evening. I'm fine. How about you? Loudly. Shall we start?
बचने से रास्ता बनाया जा सकता है। तो इंजन आदि नदी एवं अक्सर इसके ऊपर
Ma'am, your voice is not audible. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Your voice is not audible, ma'am.
अनिका आप लोगों को खाना चाहिए।
हम कितने छोटे और वो लोग कितने बड़े और उनके
लड़ाई से बाद आजा मैम
Yeah, Pragati ma'am, can you hear me now? Pragati ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. I can hear you.
am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, I guess we can proceed now.
We can start on now.
Yeah.
Okay. A very good evening to all the parents in unison. This is Mrs. Pragati Chabra complimenting you for the day. Please, it's a request to parents. Please, can you mute your mics? Yeah, thank you. This is Mrs. Pragati Chabra complimenting you for the day to all the parents who have spared out their time to orient themselves with the prospects of our school junior DPS fraternity. A child must be taught how to think and not what to think. So at junior DPS, we don't burden your ward to think and do. We just want to make them open and broaden their outlook. As we want to create a feeling to think freely. So we should not teach them what to think, we have to teach them how to think. And this is what we believe in. So, as ma'am is here to awaken you with all the policies and prospects of our school and plans of our academic curriculum, your vision will become clear only when you look into your own heart. The one who looks outside the dreams, while the one who looks inside awakens. So, come let's awaken ourselves with the prospects of Junior DPS Pitampura with Mrs. Mukti Dhamija, branch head of Junior DPS. I guess all the parents are here. So, without wasting any more time, I wish to proceed further. May I request ma'am to please take over the orientation further and proceed on. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, parents. On to ma'am.
Thank you, Pragati, for a lovely welcome speech. And first of all, a very, very warm good evening to all my parents and cute little smiling faces. Let me just see them first. Can I have a look? Okay. I hope you all are keeping good care. You are taking good care of yourself. Am I audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Clothe your present with compassion, humility, and courage. Button your past with forgiveness. Get ready to embellish your future with us. You laugh and the world laughs at you. You cry and the world cries at you. So come, my dear parents, let's laugh, cheer, and gleam up and beautify ourselves even during this pandemic era. Our pedagogy is to nurture the uniqueness of every child. Once again, I, Mrs. Mukti Dhamija, branch head of Junior DPS, am here to orient you with the further practices and missions of our academic curriculum. To begin with, certain pointers are there which have to be kept in mind. So first of all, I request all of you to mute yourself so that you should be able to carefully listen all the pointers. I can hear some mumbling voices. So can you please switch off your mics and just hear my pointers carefully? Shall I proceed? Okay. The first point is, it is important that by now we understand and adapt the new system of virtual learning. I truly agree that it's very difficult to make the child sit and learn, but we are not choosers, my dear parents. And I, holding the same position, uh, hold the responsibility. And I assure you, by the end of this academic year, your child will be in a fair good capacity for academics and a good flair in the letter tracing. I assure you that. It gives a great pleasure to welcome your child as a part of Junior DPS. Kindly cooperate with the school authorities in relation to the expectations from you at all the times, especially during this pandemic era of teaching. I understand a lot of child's adjustments are needed, and I assure you that it will be a bi-virtual process. The child should be seated on time. Be patient with your child in terms of adjusting in this age parameter. If the child is absent to the session, make sure that an absent note must be sent to us prior before the session. I request all the parents from now onwards proper attendance will take place. So make sure that this thing should be taken care of. Please make the child dress up in simple and clean clothes and make them wear an iCard. If it is being issued by the school, well and good. If not, make sure that you prepare an iCard with the name and the photograph of the child duly pinned up on the shirt. Cover the books and the files already being given to you with a plastic sheet and a fluorescent sheet. Make sure your ward is seated on the chair and the table and keep a close watch on the personal hygiene of your ward. And one more very important point, Please enter your ward's name in the Zoom ID column. Many parents enter their other names or the handset name is being displayed. I request all to be sure about it that the ward's name is entered. Parul ma'am, Pragati ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you please start the video side by side? I request you to do that first.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah,
Sure,
thank
sure.
you.
Now is it visible? Now it's visible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am. It's perfectly visible.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Um, Welcome. It provides an age-appropriate, learning-centric programs at par with the international standards. It ensures holistic development, enabling the child to grow up and face the challenges of modern world, which means all-around development of the child. It caters to the 7 developmental criterias: physical, motor, cognitive, language, aesthetic, social, emotional, and social. Keeping in mind the developmental needs of the child, a student is provided with a student kit at the time of admission. Now, these are the list of items that are present in the student kit. Most of the children are duly handed, but due to this pandemic, we are going to cover up this pandemic gap very soon. Some of the books are missing. I am assuring you by the end of this next week, you all will be duly handed with the book sets. Carry bag, school bag, water bottle, apron, almanac, pickup card, and the book set. These are present in our book set and will be retained by the parent once the school revives back. I-card again will be issued by us. The child must wear it to school. We wish you a very bright future and success in all the future endeavors. Well, these are the pointers that will be implemented once the child comes back to school. We are patiently waiting for the day to come. But these, since it is an orientation, so you need to be acquainted with the timings of arrival and departure. We are going to issue you an escort card to ensure the safety of your ward. Saturdays are non-working. It is a 5-day program. Uniforms are issued by us, summer and winter, which will be worn every Tuesday and Fridays. Again, all these things should be duly kept in mind when the class will begin. Don't take it for granted that if your child is at home, he can be duly seated on a bed, very casual approach. Don't make him learn that. I assure you that if you are going to be lenient in this way, the child will be very difficultly able to learn that.
Hello. Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Mukti, ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, your voice is not coming, Mukti, ma'am. Mukti ma'am, your voice is not coming. Parents, am I audible to you? Okay. Mukti ma'am, your
Yes,
voice.
ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Mukti ma'am, your voice is not coming. Might be some network issue at her place. Might be some network issue.
नहीं आ रहा बेटा, नेट ही नहीं चल रहा, नेट चल रहा तो नाम भी नहीं ले कर ले ले मैम आने को मारेगी तो यू भी देखो क्या चाहिए.
There was some network issue at her end, I suppose, and she'll be back soon. And I request all the
Yeah,
parents,
yeah.
please mute your mics, please,
I'm
because
back.
the voice cracks in between if any mic is on, na. Yuvan
Yeah, I'm-
single, Yuvan single, your mic is on.
Pragati
Please.
ma'am, I'm here.
Yeah,
Can you
ma'am.
hear me?
Yeah, ma'am. I can hear you.
Hey, parents, I apologize. Regret for the inconvenience. It was a severe network crash. I'm very sorry.
Okay, ma'am. I'll start off again.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the things we have to keep in mind. Once the school opens, all these things we have to keep in the bags. We may proceed, Pragati ma'am. Looking forward to a very healthy and a fruitful support system. We are always there as a family. I know at times we lose heart, we become weak, but this is what a family is. And trust me, I, as a head, my facilitators will always stand by you in all the kits and kins, come what may. If your child is unable to adapt, we are there to personally approach you via video calls, via phone calls, via voice notes. We are all there to assist you any time of the hour, of the day. Well, this is a timetable. I will again reconnect once the school opens. This will be the time for, this is a time plan that we follow when the child comes to school. This is a free play time, then the prayer time, attendance and a fruit break. Concept of the day. We are not going to follow the free play time. We are going to definitely start the day with a prayer in our virtual sessions as well. Then we are going to take the concept of the day, whichever day it is. We are going to greet the children with the day name. Like it's a magical Monday, it's a twinkling Tuesday, it's a wonderful Wednesday, so that the child knows these adjectives and they introduce these days amongst others in the same form. Then sure, we are going to do rhymes and numbers letters will take the pace as they are taking. We are going to slightly increase the patterns now. We are going to work. I'll just tell you and explain further. Ma'am, can we move on to the slides? Well, these are the transportation safety guidelines that have to be kept in mind once the school opens back. iCard is must. Any temporary change, even if we are virtually related, Even if we are virtually linked, any change in your address, please inform us. Again, this too applies. The child should be duly ready 5 minutes prior to the session.
Please, parents, it's a
Parents are
request.
joining.
Mute the mic, please, parents.
Parents are requested not to join late. Indeed, I will ask the teachers not to allow the parents entering the class after 10 minutes of the beginning. So I make sure. I hope we can proceed, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've played the next slide.
Yeah. Ma'am, please go on. The parents are almost any time of the day till 7, 7:30 in the evening. You can always contact us for any of your queries. And in case if the child is unable to adapt the virtual learning sessions, and if the parents are unable to keep a track of these sessions, we will fix up second or third Saturday. We will just fix up with the prior consent of the parents. The teachers will be out of the regular schedule. The teachers are going to fix up the appointments with the children to make them on the track. So it's very important that the child should adapt this methodology. If you are facing any problem, Saturdays are there. We can fix up the day and we can sit. So no problems. Well, to introduce the book set, this is my pre-nursery book. We have in all 5 books are there. We have Little Learners English, GK and Maths. One rhyme book is there and one sketch file is there. Sketch file is there to primarily work on the pattern tracing of your word, followed by the letters according to the traces done. Almanacs will be issued once a child comes back, but I will make sure by the end of this next week, all the pending books will be handed over to the child. Playgroup, again it has one, we have a set of 4 books here. We have this scrap file. We have a playgroup EVS book in which it is simple coloring of the primary colors are there. Some basic shapes are there. A color book is there and an almanac is there. This is basically catering the 2-year-old group. Well, no matter what, if the doors and windows of our school are closed, we are there with the same zeal, with the same enthusiasm, and I assure that we are going to carry all the celebrations in the same level, following the best possible approach to intimate you. We are going to create it. But definitely, I look forward to parent support to the best possible way. These are the list of celebrations and the weeks we carry on. And here comes our photo gallery, a very small one to actually view. Okay, Pragati ma'am, can we just switch it off?
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am, for your assistance. Ma'am, so parents, I hope I am audible and clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So there are certain pointers, ma'am. The program will follow from Monday to Friday. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday will be the academic work which we are going to do with the child. And Friday we are going to follow the CVD program, that is Co-Curricular Visual Dramatization Program. What is this program now? It will consist of the array of activities such as dance, yoga, origami, story sessions, craft, etc. So we are going to eliminate all these things in the first 4 working days, because now we are going to add a question session to your academic curriculum, whereby every month we are going to perform a set of around 6 to 7 questions in a month, so that the child should be able to verbally present themselves. So I insist on that working a lot. So we are going to follow the pattern in this way. Soon after this session, you are going to get the plan out of the entire month of the July person. And personally of this week, plan out will also be handed over to you with the materials that have to be prepared by your side at your end. The writing format will follow the way. Once in a week, the tracing for pre-nursery will be done, the traces following the uppercase letters. So this writing will be carried out once in a week for the pre-nursery tots. And for the nursery tots, we are going to take the uppercase and the lower thrice a week. I am taking care of the writing patterns. We will discuss about it later. How? Montessori sensory emotional development sessions will be held once in a month. The PTMs will follow the regular pattern of interaction, but no formal progress cards will be issued. Learn and speak activity will again put up the pace from the month of July in form of workshops such as show and tell, recitation, self-introduction, etc. and the winners will be duly certified. So we are not going to break on the things at all. The pattern will be followed in the same way. It's just that the virtual will be the replica of the physical one. The school will follow same planning as before, adding one country in alternative month. As you must be knowing that we are taking one country in 2 months. So we are going to begin with that format from the month of August. Can you see this list of phonetics, parents? Can you? I hope, yeah. I am going to send you a screenshot of this. This is very important since now we are going to start with the traces, and now we are pacing up with the letter recognition as well. So phonetic is very, very important. Very soon we are going to organize a workshop for the phonetics as well. But this list I am going to share with you very soon. Okay. To proceed further, we may shift the platform of this virtual learning. We are working on it since, as you know, Zoom is a collaboration of Americans and Chinese somewhat. So we are planning to shift the platform very soon, and the details will be informed to you shortly. Till then, we are operational on Zoom. We are beginning the classes, the sessions from Monday. One query I would like to post to all my parents is the time. Like some parents are requesting for the evening session, while others want the morning. So it is a consensus, it is an open approach. It's a consensus we are looking forward. Can you please let me know in the chat box what are your priorities? I'm waiting for your responses, parents. Please tell me. Yeah. Before that, let me introduce the nursery book details. I see, sir. The nursery books there are 6 books here. Nursery books are there. These are all about the uppercase having already covered in the pre-nursery. So the nursery book set will contain the lowercase English letters. Then we are going to cover up the maths 1 to 20. Then we have 2 sets of workbooks where worksheets are there. One rhyme book is there and one sketch file for the tracing is there. I hope I am clear. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Some parents want it to be evening. What if we keep it at 5 in the evening? Does it suit you? I guess maximum majority is willing for 11:30 or 12 morning sessions. Okay, then what we can do is we have to go by the majority. So what we feel is that we can keep it for 12 in the afternoon. That's the best suitable time when the mothers can easily share their working hours. From the hours they can spare some time. The child is also ready to actually grasp up the things well. So I guess 12 is fine. Those who have certain issues, they can always we can always share the recorded sessions with them so that they can easily sit with the child in the evening, and then for further any clarifications we are there. Okay, well, very important, you can say certain tasks are there. You're working from home, sir. In that case we will personally assist you, no problems. First of all, Mr. Sharma, yes, they are different and they are totally separate. As you know, in nursery we are doing the lower case, but in pre-nursery only uppercase, and that too not complete are dealt in. In pre-nursery we only start with the numbers 1 to 10 and not all. We are not bound to complete 1 to 10 in pre-nursery, but in nursery we are going to cover it till 20, and I've shown you the book, sir. And I guess, sir, actually this organization from where we are asking the books, the publication house was in quarantine, due to which the delay is there. They may reach you anytime. We are all there, sir. Okay, Mr. Chopra, I am sure that if you are working from home, you can spare out those 40 minutes of working. Otherwise, recorded sessions will be shared by you. Or if you have any other device, you can ask the grandparents to sit. Otherwise, my ma'am, teachers are very well supportive. We'll make sure if the parents are not assisting, our teachers will take extra care of those children. Rest, I am always there. We can have a word on call to better clarify the things. Right? Okay. Now there are certain things, as we are running short of time, it may switch off any time. I would like you to show certain things. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a bowl, right? Now normally हम बोल कैसे पकड़ते हैं? कोई ऐसे पकड़ता है, कोई ऐसे पकड़ता है, right? कोई ऐसे भी पकड़ते हैं. But do you know what is the right way? If we don't know, how can we teach our child? And you know, these days you have so much time to actually spend with your word. You can actually qualitatively teach them while sitting together. So you all are holding the spoons, right? But which is the right way? हमें इन तीन fingers का, we need to work on these three fingers for increasing the pincer grip of your child. Only these three, the two fingers, first two and the thumb. So all the working will focus on the three fingers. Let us hold it like this. See, I am holding the spoon like this. I am picking it up where my two fingers are front facing, and the other side of the spoon is with the thumb. I hope you can see. The more we do these activities, the more your child will be able to hold a crayon for the initial tracing. Since we are going to begin with the traces, so it is very important that we should make them form this pincer grip, right? Like, let's hold a glass, right? A glass